Hi guys, Sophia here. We're back for another video, and I've been telling you guys how I'm in Christmas mode now. So today's recipe is going to be Broas de mel. So translated, that be honey biscuits from Madeira Island. So I'm going to show you how I make them. So let's get to the recipe. 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 250 grams of butter, 250 grams of lard, 5 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 500 grams of sugar, 1 kilo of plain flour, 4 eggs, 6 tablespoons of sugarcane honey or molasses. So I want to talk to you guys about the key ingredient that we use for these biscuits, and it's sugarcane honey. This honey is made here in the island. This is sugar canes that are grown and then made into this honey. By any means, I am sponsored by them, but this is the honey that we use to make our biscuits. So I wanted to tell you, because you may not be able to find this near you. So you can sub this out for molasses if you have. It won't be the same, but you can still do the recipe. So in here we've got our wet ingredients. We have our butter, our lard, and our honey. They've all been combined and melted. Okay, so we're gonna leave that to the side because that's already melted. And to our dry ingredients, this is 1 kilo of flour. I'm gonna add my sugar. Okay, that's 500 grams of sugar. And this is cinnamon and nutmeg. So we're gonna put that in and we're gonna mix the dry ingredients together. I could use a mixer, but I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. I'm just gonna mix everything with my hands. So just mix it through. Once everything is combined, you're gonna add your wet ingredients in here. So just make a little well. So now we're going to begin to mix in the liquid with our flour. Again, if you have a mixer, you can do that in a mixer, but I prefer it to do it with my hands. And lastly, we are going to add our 4 eggs. So let's mix that into an eggs here. I'm going to mix this and I'll be back with you guys to show you how it comes out. So after you've kneaded it for a little bit, you end up with this wettish, hard mixture, but it's combined together pretty nicely. So you're going to let this rest for 30 minutes. And then we start making our biscuits. So our dough has been resting for about 30 minutes. So this is what it looks like. Okay, it's shiny, it's smooth, but it's consistent. So you're gonna need one of these baking trays for your biscuits. So we're gonna start making our biscuits. And there you go, guys. our sugarcane honey biscuits from Madeira Island. This is a great recipe. It's really easy to make and they look absolutely gorgeous, and the smell in your kitchen is absolutely amazing. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in my next video.